Hi Emma, thank you so much for having me today. So we're based up at the top of the South Island of New Zealand, and it's a really beautiful region, and our salmon starts its journey in fresh water. That's where we grow our salmon eggs, and we have our broodstock program. And then as they grow, our salmon are taken out to sea. Now they're taken out to the Marlborough Sounds. You can see them in the water there. And so that really helps us to produce absolute top quality fish to people around the world. So in the wild, salmon would start off obviously in fresh water. And then once they grow to a smolt stage, they would migrate out to sea to grow and to mature. So we're really replicating that natural life cycle with our salmon. In our marine net pens that we have in the Sounds, we make sure that we keep the density of our fish really low. So we have about 2% fish to about 98% water in our salmon farms. So they've got plenty of space to grow and to swim and to replicate really kind of like a natural wild salmon life. And then we're capturing them just before they get to maturation. So they're at around about 2 to 2.5 years old is when we harvest our salmon. So one of the things that really makes us a bit different as an aquaculture business is we run through the whole process, right from our broodstock fish that we have, our hatcheries onto our sea farms, and then our processing and getting our product through to the end user. So we grow our broodstock and therefore our eggs at a wonderful place called the Te Waikato Springs. It's very unique. It's one of the clearest water in the world that comes up through these springs. It's been certified as one of the clearest water in the world. There's about 14,000 litres of this beautiful fresh water bubbling up per second, and then flowing through our hatchery area. So really we're giving our salmon the absolute best start to life by bringing them up in this beautiful fresh environment. Starters king salmon's only about 1% of the world's salmon, so you're really talking about quite a rare species to begin with. And we've been in aquaculture for about 25 years, and that's allowed us to really specialise in this area and get to know what brings out the very best qualities in our salmon. So we're looking for that beautiful, vibrant orange colour, lovely fat lines in our salmon, lots of healthy omega-3s, and also that beautiful texture as well that everybody knows through Ora King salmon. So we do that. We've got a breeding program. We're on to our 9th generation of fish now, and with every generation we pick out the ones that have produced the very best fish for us, and that's what we carry forward into future generations. You know, just thinking about cooking at home and preparing at home, I guess a really versatile fish, and there's lots of things that you can do with it. So our salmon is fantastic sashimi style or raw. It's healthy. There's very little waste in what you're purchasing, which is fantastic, and of course it tastes delicious.